Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all types of fruits and vegetables on your balcony or small yard space wherever you need to use pots and you can't get it into the soil. Today what I wanted to quickly show you was my grapefruit plant. Now a lot of people say you cannot grow citrus up here in Canada, but I can tell you here in Toronto I grow 4 different types of citrus, and this is my grapefruit tree, technically bush. I've had this for 3 years now, and we've taken 2 crops off of it. The first one was quite large. We had about 5 grapefruits, very big and juicy. Last year, only 1 grapefruit survived, but it turned out to be a massive grapefruit. Wonderful taste, absolutely fantastic plant. And this one actually gets through the winter quite well. I've had a lot of luck keeping all the leaves, and you can see we just came out of winter and this thing looks really healthy, and we've got some beautiful flowers growing. I'm just going to show you here some really lovely flowers. Oh my god, they smell so good. They fill the house in the wintertime with a wonderful smell, and I think these are going to turn into some nice looking grapefruits because this plant looks super good. So a couple tips for you in terms of soil. You are going to want to make sure that you use a very well draining soil, and you're going to want to check out my video on how to avoid root rot with my little hacked self-watering pots. That's a video on my channel. It's super important that citrus plants stay very well hydrated but very well drained. They are super susceptible to root rot and will die very quickly if their feet, as they say, stay in too much water. I also use a little bit of peat moss to help with the drainage and help lower the acidity a little bit. Citrus trees really do well in a lower acidity soil environment. If you use just regular potting mix, they'll do okay, but I don't think the roots don't tend to grow as well. So I'll keep you updated throughout the summer with some more tips and tricks, but I just wanted to give you a very quick look at my wonderful, beautiful potted grapefruit bush here in Toronto, Canada.